To fix a restricted Capital One credit card, it is essential to understand why the restriction occurred in the first place. Typically, a credit card is restricted due to suspicious activity, missed payments, or high credit utilization. The first step is to contact Capital One customer service to determine the reason for the restriction. When you call, be prepared to verify your identity and provide information about the restricted card. The customer service representative will guide you through the process of resolving the issue. If the restriction is due to suspicious activity, you may need to verify recent transactions to confirm they were made by you. If the restriction is due to missed payments, you will need to make the necessary payments to bring your account up to date. It is crucial to review your payment history and ensure you understand the minimum payment requirements. Additionally, consider setting up automatic payments to avoid missing payments in the future. High credit utilization can also lead to a restricted credit card. To resolve this issue, you will need to reduce your credit utilization ratio by paying down your balance. It is recommended to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to avoid any potential restrictions. To prevent future restrictions, it is essential to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions immediately. You should also make timely payments and keep your credit utilization ratio in check. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the restriction on your Capital One credit card and maintain a healthy credit account. It is also important to note that if you are unable to resolve the issue with customer service, you may need to visit a Capital One bank branch or complete a verification process online. In some cases, you may be required to provide additional documentation to verify your identity or account information. By being proactive and taking the necessary steps, you can quickly resolve the restriction and regain access to your credit card.